Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick update video to my DIY Harbor Freight golf net video that I made a little while back. I'll try to link this one back to the old one, so hopefully you found this video through that one. And this is after a while of having it set up, hitting a lot of shots into it over the past year, 2 years. I can't remember how long it's been since I released the video, but I want to give you some updates on it. First off, still a phenomenal and great idea. Things that I may change in my recommendation is that it may not be the best for driver necessarily because, as you can see here and right here, I think this one might have been a really strong 3-wood that I kind of bladed, and this one was a driver that I absolutely cured, and it went off the mat just straight through this. I mean, like, obviously I have trees back here, so it caught it, didn't go ahead any other houses, but just wanted to make a video kind of updating you guys that all you need is a string from Harbor Freight. Again, this is a rope that I got. If you haven't watched my previous video more in detail, go check that out. But a rope from Harbor Freight, and this is just the shade tarp from Harbor Freight. I believe this one is the 10 foot by 12 foot. So I have the 12-foot span wide and the 10-foot span up, and then I still have a little bit of slack here on the ground. It does have grommets where you can pin it down to the ground. I chose not to pin it because I wanted it to receive a little bit more. If you pin it down, obviously it's going to tighten up faster and then you're going to wear through this. But I have yet to even imagine hitting an iron or a wedge through this. It's never going to happen. But driver and 3-wood, if you really smoke one, if you've got some high ball speeds, maybe don't put anything valuable behind it, or get 2 of these and double them up. That might work pretty well also. But it's been a great little solution. So if you're looking for a DIY home cheap golf net, like less than 30 or 40 bucks, I can't remember how much I spent. I think it was less than 30 bucks. Just get a rope, get yourself the shade tarp, put it between 2 trees or 2 of any kind of obstacle. It could be inside of a shed or something. And yeah, it's a really great option. Just don't rely on driver necessarily stopping. Now, I've hit a lot of drivers into this. I've hit hundreds of drivers into this. One got through, and then one 3-wood got through. So just be aware, it can happen, but still a really great solution in 2024 to have a cheap, affordable golf net solution. So comment below if you have any questions for me, and yeah, I'll be glad to help you out.